My name is Jason McCullagh. My role is Chief Operating Officer, responsible for the day-to-day running of the business. Our production facilities contain industry-leading equipment. This investment ensures we focus on the outputs for our customers for industry-leading quality and delivery, backed up by our skilled CRM team. We are a strategic supplier to global brands with the proven ability to manufacture high-mix, low-volume, often bespoke fabrications. While this business model is challenging, we have invested heavily in our people and equipment to deliver consistently. As a supplier to global brands, we need to be operating at an international level, so we run the business using world-class practices such as Kaizen and Lean. We place a strong emphasis on research and development and continuous improvement so that we can continue to maintain our position at the forefront of future technologies. We understand our customers' businesses and work with them to anticipate future trends in their markets, helping them to gain competitive advantage. Taking a collaborative approach leads to successful outcomes for all. Our culture is exceptional and is founded on community engagement. The company is accredited with ISO 9000, 14000 and 45001 certification and Investors in People Gold, demonstrating our commitment to quality and our people. Get in contact with me if you would like to find out more.